How do you fix Iron Nest Heavy Turret Simulator is crashing on Steam? So first you want to go to your library and right click on the game and then open up the properties window. Now from the installed files tab you want to verify the game files. And once this is done you want to go back to the general tab at launch options and add -dx11 command. Now you can close Steam and then open up your browser and go to this link which is in the description below. And then you will need to download the 86 installer and the 64 for the distributables, both of these right here. And this will require computer restart when you finish the installation. So right after the restart, what you need to do is check if you have the latest GPU driver updates. You can use the NVIDIA app or the AMD software depending on which GPU you're running. And from the drivers section, make sure to download and install the latest available driver update. Now all you need to do is right click on Steam and run it as admin before launching the game. And then you can simply launch the game from your library, and this should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.